So welcome to this tutorial. We're trying to understand We're trying to understand the image size when you're grabbing things from Google Images. So if you're here, you have this little tools option on the side and then size. So you want to set it to large, because if I hover over this, it's only giving you a 220 by 330 image, and the file size that you take off your camera is like in the 4,000 to 3,000 aspect ratio, something like that. So there's going to be like a little dot on the screen if we pull that in there. We want to use the large sizes, and here you're starting to see, all right, this is a 5,000 by, the largest Obama one looks like this one. And this is right off the original artist, Shepard Fairey's website. So in order to get to this image, like if I was to download this, like control click and then save image to downloads or save image as, it's going to give me the thumbnail. This says unknown. Well, we'll just save unknown for now and just take a look. So here's unknown, and if I open it in Photoshop, it'll show me the size. If I go Command Option I, so it's a very small image, 183 by 276. We want the big one. We want the 1440 by 2168. In order to get that, you have to get into the image, and this is actually behaves a little differently with this specific one. So maybe I'll do something other than this poster, like happy. I don't know. So we'll set it to large, and we'll go grab Homer. So if I want the big one of this, if I control click and open image in new tab, that did not work. It's only giving me a 300 by 310 by 163. Let's try. We might have to go find it on the website. It's weird that Google's behaving this way. So typically that's how you would do it. Open link in new tab. We'll go out to this link, and then maybe if we click on it, I don't see the Homer image anywhere on this link. Let's try this one. Control click it. Open image in new tab. There we go. Now it's the bigger size. So there's that 1280 by 673. And then if you grab this one, it'll be a much larger image. So control click, save image as, and here is that one in your documents. And then we'll jump over to documents and open it up in Photoshop, and then we'll just double check and make sure we get the right size. So yeah, that's 1280 by 673, which matches what was said if you hover here, correct? Yes, 1280 by 673, 1280 by 673. So you have to kind of hunt down the biggest image. So I guess the workflow for that is if you click on it, it goes to this big image view, and then if you control click it, you're going to go open link in new tab, and then that's how you can get, no, that was the wrong button. Control click open image in new tab, sorry, and that's how you get to the biggest image. So you want to grab the big image when you're doing, the Obama project, or the, if you're grabbing bokeh for the pink and teal project.